Hello, I am Danny. Today I am going to show you how to install the Super Forex Launcher indicator on Mt4. First of all, you need to download the Super Forex Launcher indicator. We recommend watching this video before using the indicator. Let's do it. Extract the zip file. Open your Mt4 platform. Go to File, Open Data folder, select MQL4 folder. Copy and paste one by one from the downloaded file. Copy files from indicator folder and paste them into the indicator folder. If there are any libraries, presets and script files, paste them into relevant folders. Copy template files from the template folder or .tpl file and paste them into the template folder. Now right-click on the chart window and select Template. Select Super Forex Launcher Indicator. Now you can see the loaded template on the chart window. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Super Forex Launcher Indicator. Comment any other suggestions or your problems in comment section. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice day and enjoy. I will come with another video soon.